The first entrance, which is that one, and this one, which is the main entrance with security house. They will dualize this road from Avu Junction down, and this is the estate. This is the signage. So this is the main entrance to the estate. Let's go inside. This is inside the estate. You can see we already have an existing property that we are selling, and this one as well. You can see it's a wonderful estate and people are already living there. And you can see we have our transformer here. Yeah, so here is buy and build and leave, right? The first entrance, which is that one, and this one, which is the main entrance with security house. Yeah, so we have limited plots available here, and it's going for 9 million naira, right? 50 by 100. Then if you want half plots, we can give you discount for 5,934,000. That's for 50 by 60. I'm right here live here. So call me with the number on the screen. Let's get you started. If you want to live in Owerri, so call me. Let's get you started.